always gets kind of fun when I get a chance to make sudden videos I didn't think I'd get to make. So, at a building my family owns, they have these Navilight exit lights. They're very generic, very simple. Nothing fancy about them. They're non-LED, just incandescents. They're old, but they work. There is one over at the building that is buzzing and flickering. I'll show a quick clip of that.
So this is going on in the conference room now. We can't stop it.
So I have this one. This is a new old stock that's been sitting here forever. It does work. I was going to put it up, but I never did. And I guess it's more important that we take it over there now to put it in good use. So let's go do that. All right, well, there it is. Certainly sounds like the sound of a bad transformer, so let's take that down. Let's put the new one up. Did a quick swap, adjusted the heads so they're pointing down towards the doorways. So now if you push the button, everything works. Battery's still good. Good to go. No more buzzing, no more flickering. All good.